Alright, this is a video on how to check your air pressure. So the first thing you want to do is you want to identify your air pressure gauge. Notice how it's got an end right there and it's got one right there. That's that way you can check both the inside and the outside from this side of the tire. So we identify that. You can see we got one of those through caps on it. So we put it on there just like that, and we pull it back. See, we're at 95. See, we're at 95. See, we're at 95. I always do 3 times just to make sure. And then you come around and you look for the other one, which this one's right here. Now this one you're going to use the MPs. Stick it on there like that. Get it lined up right. Boom, 100. That one, the good one. 100. 100. And that's how you check it. You check all your tires that way. That's how you use an air pressure gauge.